need to check out this state park. It's called Koreshan State Park, and it's interesting because it's a historical site. And yeah, let's go and check it out. Okay, where to go? I don't know where to go. Anyway, let's see. Boat ramp, campground. Okay, I'm not going there. I'm gonna go and check out the historic site. So that's the Koreshan Unity Settlement. I wonder if it's open. Should be. Oh, a lot of money. And actually this is pretty big. Okay, let me walk around. It looks nice. Look at that. It's actually a nice settlement. That's pretty cool. Is that the water? Yeah. That's interesting. It's fully furnished. That's so cool. Gosh. That is pretty cool. Looks beautiful, yeah. Look at that. And I can hear the red-shouldered hawk. They planted a lot of exotic trees here. This one looks so weird. This kind of halfway dead. Oh, there are more buildings back there. Gonna check out this building over there. That's so cool.
Dr. T accepted an invitation to address a convention of the National Association of Mental Science.
I never
He
knew
felt that
about
especially
there.
for women, marriage was slavery. Women often joined the Koreshan unity without their husbands.
But also through their ideas, their writings, and their photographs to keep their memory alive.
And that's what you
So-
see here today. Traces of the past, some of them
Wow.
obvious, while others are more subtle. Scott's great-grandmother, Rose Gilbert, was a member of the planetary court. She remained a Koreshan her entire life.
That was actually interesting. I watched the whole video. Anyway, that was interesting actually. They were actually founders of Estero and all this area. Look at these palm trees. They are tall. Whoa. These are the skinniest and tallest I have ever seen. Okay, that's the one right here. And there is another bridge over there. That's another cool looking bridge. Interesting. Oh, what kind of tree is that? I know they planted a lot of exotic trees. The river trail. Please take nothing but pictures. Leave nothing but footprints. Okay, we know that. That's the river trail. beautiful. It's a sitting area. I like it. It's that, it's just a river. Yeah. Wow. That's so cool. I like all this bamboo here. Glad I stopped here in this park. I didn't even plan first. And then I saw the sign and I thought, huh, might as well. Wow, this is so cool. It's like a bamboo forest. I can hear the woodpecker. I wonder how far it goes. It just keeps going and going. But it's a nice looking trail, so I enjoy this walk. So now it says blue trail, but the river trail continues. And I'm just gonna continue the river trail and then I'm gonna take the blue trail on the way back. So they have these nice openings here. The river looks pretty dirty. You know what's a good thing? There are no mosquitoes here. I haven't felt any mosquito. And I do have a spray, but not in the car. They have little amphitheater, and they have a lookout platform here. It's nice. I guess that's where it ends. Leisure 30-minute walk will take you along the Estero River to the historic settlement area if your quiet wildlife may be sighted. When I get to the blue trail, I'm gonna take the blue trail. Here you go. That's the blue trail. Heading this way. I have seen a video of Koreshan State Park. And yeah, I was thinking to check it out, but I kind of forgot about it. So I was passing by and I saw the sign, Koreshan State Park. And now the trail opens up. Hopefully I see some birds here. Not many birds around, a few common ones only. But it looks really pretty. Look at that. Just enjoyable to walk. I think I'm almost back. Been walking for a while. I'm starting to hear the birds. Let's see if I can capture any birds. Here you go. Oop, it took off. There it is again. Great crested flycatcher. It's a beautiful bird. Just keep weeping, keep calling. Here you go. I'm back in the settlement. I'm coming in from the backside. You are here. Okay. I took this blue trail, and before I was on the red trail. It's maybe a mile walk or so. It was nice. Beautiful trail. I truly enjoyed it. It's a steam engine. Interesting. The Koreshans produced electricity with a massive diesel engine housed in the generation building until 1946. And what is that? Oh, that's one of those shops. Cool. Really interesting. And what's in here? Oh wow. That's the one in the picture. It smells like it still works. He had a lot of machinery. They could do anything here. So cool. Oh yeah. I like how the state has preserved everything. So nice. Oh, they had even a television. It's so cool to see that. That's the only guy who lived in this property. He lived here till 1965. And that's his house building. Little cottage. That's another building. Koreshan bakery. So that's the bakery. In the name of humanity, we live inside the world. The Koreshans believe as the earth is the universe. Yeah, you can read that. It's pretty interesting. Okay, I'm heading out now. That was a nice place to stop and I'm glad I did it. I wasn't even sure, I just passed by and saw the sign and thought, oh, might as well stop by because I watched the video once. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.